The future of AI. How artificial intelligence will change the world. AI is constantly changing our world. Here are just a few ways AI will influence our lives. Written by Mike Thomas. If it feels like the future of AI is a rapidly changing landscape, that's because the present innovations in the field of artificial intelligence are accelerating at such a blazing fast pace that it's tough to keep up. Indeed, artificial intelligence is shaping the future of humanity across nearly every industry. It is already the main driver of emerging technologies like big data, robotics, and AI, not to mention generative AI. With tools like ChatGPT and AI art generators garnering mainstream attention, and it will continue to act as a technological innovator for the foreseeable future. Roughly 44% of companies are looking to make serious investments in AI and integrate it into their businesses. And of the 9130 patents received by IBM inventors in 2021, 2,300 were AI-related. It seems likely that AI is going to continue to change the world. But how exactly? Mori and the future of AI make art more human? The evolution of AI's influence on technology is due in part because of how it impacts computing. Through AI, computers have the ability to harness massive amounts of data and use their learned intelligence to make optimal decisions and discoveries in fractions of the time that it would take humans. AI has come a long way since 1951, when the first documented success of an AI computer program was written by Christopher Strachey, whose checkers program completed a whole game on the Ferranti Mark I computer at the University of Manchester. Since then, AI has been used to help sequence RNA for vaccines and model human speech, technologies that rely on model and algorithm-based machine learning and increasingly focus on perception, reasoning, and generalization. With innovations like these, AI has retaken center stage like never before, and it won't cede the spotlight anytime soon. What industries will AI change? There's virtually no major industry that modern AI, more specifically narrow AI, which performs objective functions using data-trained models, and often falls into the categories of deep learning or machine learning, hasn't already affected. That's especially true in the past few years, as data collection and analysis has ramped up considerably thanks to robust AI connectivity, the proliferation of connected devices, and ever speedier computer processing. I think anybody making assumptions about the capabilities of intelligent software capping out at some point are mistaken. David Vandegrift, CTO and co-founder of the customer relationship management firm For Degrees, said,